guys, I'm Daniel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this graphics kit that I got from KTM Power Parts. So this is a graphics kit that I got on aomx.com. This is an official KTM Power Parts product. It has the branding on it and everything, and it came with the packaging and it said, yeah, it's KTM Power Parts. This is a legit product from KTM themselves. I've never heard of it before until I saw this one picture on Instagram, and it really caught my eye because it looked very different than any other Duke I've ever seen. I actually saved the picture because I liked it so much. I'll put it on the screen right now. And I really liked how that bike looked. Back then when I saw that picture, I still had the stock mirrors. So that picture actually inspired me to install some bar and mirrors. And I'm glad I did. It really cleaned up the look, and I'm sure this graphics kit would not have looked as good with the stock mirrors. After seeing that picture, I did some research. I looked up graphics kits and decal kits because that really inspired me to change my bike up a bit more, and to no avail. I didn't find anything. I couldn't find anything good until I stumbled upon this one graphic kit, which looked a lot like the one in the picture. It was on aomx.com. I saw it and I was like, this looks pretty cool. What it brings basically is 2 parts for each side of the fairings, 2 headlight shroud decals, 2 decals for the fender, 2 decals for the radiator cover, 2 decals for the belly pan, and 2 decals for the rear pillion area right next to the tail light. I put all of the decals except for the belly pan one because I did believe that putting that one would have been a little too much, a little too many graphics. The bike would have been a little bit too busy. And of course you can say it's a bit busy now, but it's not too busy, right? I like how it looks. I really like the design, the graphics. I like the look that they went after, and I really do like how the bike turned out. Now, of course, if you watch my previous videos, you'll know that my bike was orange, and now it's white. So what's the deal with that? Well, it's simple, really. The decal kit wouldn't have looked good, in my opinion, at all with the orange ones, because it's obviously based off of white, right? So a white decal on some orange plastics, no, I didn't think that would look good. So I looked up this piece, and I found it on ktmworld.com. It was in the microfiche. I bought 2 white ones. What I did basically is I removed the orange ones that came with the bike, because I got the orange one obviously, and I bought some white ones. I got both, and they were painted white, primed and painted obviously, came with the grommets and the metal things to screw them on obviously. Once they arrived, I put the decals right on and I slapped them on the bike. I think it looks pretty cool. For those of you who saw my rims and are wondering where I got the stickers, or the decals, I should say, for the rims, they did not come with this graphics kit. I bought them separately from eBay. I really like them, and I think they really changed the bike. If you would like a link to them, please leave a comment down below and I'll get right to you. I'll leave a link to the fairings and the decal kit down in the description. So please guys, tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Tell me if you like it, tell me if you don't like it, tell me what you would have done differently, what you would have changed. Maybe a decal kit that you would have liked to get instead of this one. Anything is welcome. Please comment. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. It really helps me out and it keeps me motivated, and I'll bring you more great content just like this. Thanks for watching.